In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% save file in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 Campaign Remastered. Check my video description for the save file download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Open this Player 2 default. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Open the Player 2 default. This is your game progress. Before dropping this 100% save, backup your game progress. Create a new folder, name it as backup, drag and drop these files inside this location and drag and drop this 100% file in this location and launch the game. Once you are in game, go to mission select the mission you like to play. To show you guys it's working, I'm going to select this mission. And as you can see, the save file successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.